Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Delta Lake for CDC using merge operations step by step clearly. To set up Delta Lake for change data capture, begin by ensuring you have a compatible Spark environment. Install the Delta Lake library in your Spark project using the appropriate dependency in your build tool. Load the necessary Spark session with Delta Lake support enabled. Create a Delta table by defining the schema and initializing it with data. For the purpose of CDC, prepare a staging table that holds incoming changes. This staging table can be populated from various sources, such as a database or a file system. Apply a merge operation to synchronize the Delta table with the data from the staging table. Within the merge statement, specify the conditions to match existing records. Define the actions for matched records, typically using an update clause. For new records that do not match, specify an insert action within the merge statement. Ensure data integrity by handling any conflicts or distinct scenarios as needed. Once the merge operation is configured, execute it within your Spark session. Review the results to confirm that the Delta table has been updated correctly with the changes. Perform a query against the Delta table to validate the expected outcomes of the merge. Finally, clean up by removing any unnecessary data from the staging table to maintain efficiency. Your Delta Lake is now set up for change data capture using merge operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.